Viewers, what happens when fashion, politics, and celebration collide? Last night, Hope Gardens erupted in elegance, fire, and history. Stick around. This one will blow you. On September 27, 2025, the Serengeti at Hope Gardens came alive for a night to remember. It wasn't just a birthday, it was a cultural explosion. As André Stephens, the face of PDTV, celebrated his 34th birthday and unveiled his bold new vision, the relaunch of Premier Gentleman and the debut of his Gentleman African collection, Sirius. The evening, themed Circle of Life, set the stage for a spectacular fashion show. Models walked the runway in designs that fused African heritage with modern class. André's pieces stood out as regal and unapologetic, but he wasn't alone. Other designers also showcased their creativity, proving that Jamaican and African-inspired fashion is alive and thriving. The guest list? A powerful mix of culture and politics. Comrade Peter Bunting, Member of Parliament for Manchester, was the official patron, lending his support to André's vision. Isat Buchanan and other PNP stalwarts and candidates were there in force. And of course, the night wouldn't be complete without the buzz of Chineyk, the social media influencer, amplifying the energy online. And then came the moment that turned the fashion show into a political anthem. The sound system dropped the PNP anthem, "We are marching on to progress," and the place erupted in fire. Supporters waved, sang, and chanted, turning the venue into a sea of unity and pride. Family love was also front and center. Auntie Claudette, André's second mother and backbone, stood proudly by his side, cheering him on and reminding everyone that behind every great man is unwavering support. And what's a Jamaican celebration without food? Powdna's Draw Kitchen delivered a feast that had every guest carving, eating, and satisfied. The perfect fuel for a night of elegance and celebration. André himself was the crown jewel of the evening. Dressed in royal blue with gold accents, cane in hand, he embodied the essence of the Premier Gentleman: heritage, vision, and timeless class. The night ended with applause, laughter, and inspiration. This was more than a birthday party. It was a movement, a cultural rebirth, and a reminder that progress, pride, and elegance will always march on. Viewers, this is Michy, bringing you the stories that matter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more political drama, cultural highlights, and breaking news. Until next time, stay tuned, stay sharp, and keep marching on to progress.